What's up, guys, and welcome to another episode. In this episode, I'm just going to be quickly talking about Dislock. Dislock is actually an amazing feature for smartwatches, and that includes Android Wear as well as Pebble Smartwatches. And the way it works is you set it up so instead of having to type in a PIN or a password for your security for your device, your Android Wear or your Pebble smartwatch can actually be that pin instead, if that makes sense. So when you're in a certain vicinity of your device, the Bluetooth will automatically unlock your device. And once you've walked out of that vicinity, it'll lock your device. So if you happen to leave your device somewhere and you go run away somewhere, you don't have to worry about it not being locked. Now you need to either set it through a pin. So if I come down here, or let me see where we're at. Yeah, so the first thing we need to do is that we're actually going to need to enable device administrator. So we come in here and it's just going to say activate. So that's all that will do. For our connected trusted devices, you can see I don't have any trusted devices connected at this moment. The password type, this is where you want to come in here and change it to a PIN or a password. PIN's a little bit faster, password's going to be more secured. You also want to do turn off screen on disconnect. That way when you do walk away and your Pebble or your Android Wear is out of vicinity from your watch, your screen will turn off and then your lock screen will kick on. Now if you want, you can even set it to where you will need to type in your password no matter what to actually unlock your device. I don't personally use that, but it's good there. A grace period is another thing that I'm going to recommend is you kind of adjust. 2 seconds is the default. I found that 5 seconds is a little bit better for me. The reason is Bluetooth can sometimes disconnect and reconnect. It only takes a second, but I've had it to where it might take like 2.1 seconds, and it's without me realizing it's in my pocket. I'm just going about my day. And 2.1 seconds means that it locks my device, so I have to unlock everything manually. So I found 5 seconds works the best for me. When I come in here, you can see that you can also connect it to Bluetooth devices, and that's what we're talking about when it comes to Android as well as a Pebble. So I can make it so any Pebble unlocks my device, which is probably nice for, if you have like a universal tablet somewhere in a store or something like that, and your whole team has Pebble watches, and the only way it can unlock that is by using that. It's kind of a cool feature. Android Wear, it says that I don't have anything. I don't have my Pebble synced right now, and that's the reason. My Wi-Fi as well, so you can have it set up to any Wi-Fi network. So if you are at home and you're using your smartphone as well as you're wearing your Pebble or your Android Wear, you can set it up so that it will never lock. And that's useful if you're in a trusted area and you're always moving around a bit. So you're outside working in the yard and then you come back inside and you just want to grab your phone real fast. That's the way of doing that. And finally, the last thing, and that's about it actually, now that I think about it. So what you want to do is when you set up Dislock is you want to install it, you want to enable device administrator, you want to set up turn off screen for disconnect, adjust your grace period, connect your trusted devices, which you will do through the Bluetooth devices down here. So once I turn on my Bluetooth, which I don't think I even have on Bluetooth, there we go. So there we go. Oh, there we go. So I thought I had to tap that there. So as you can see, now I have my Pebble connected. The sound cube is down there as well, which is just a Bluetooth speaker. I have a review on that. You can find that on my YouTube page. And that's it when it comes to Dislock. I highly recommend it. It's a beautiful application. It's very, very useful for anybody that's doing Android Wear or Pebble smartwatch. If you do have any questions or comments, as always, leave them down below. I will have a link to get to the Dislock as well to the Google Play Store, or you can simply type it into the Google Play Store search bar and you can find it yourself. As always, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll check you guys out next video. Thanks for watching.